Hi there, big black dog. And there's Frankie. So who's this dog, huh? Who are you? Who are you? Whoa. Come here. Good girl. Good girl, Ella. Good girl. Frankie, are you jealous? We're at Grandma's house, huh? Yeah, we're at Grandma's. It's a dog party here. Huh, yeah. That's what I'm doing. Huh, yeah. We're going home, Frankie.
Grandma could never do this again, Lily.
I know. It's hectic.
Well, you saw what happened. Oh, it makes me too nervous.
The dogs attacked each other.
Yes. Oh man. That was scary.
Frankie.
I about crap my pants. I about shit my pants.
Oh, God.
I did. I about shit my pants. Well, I looked down and then like a couple fools.
Oh, she's good.
Did I scare her? Well, did you see her?
That was nicely put. Hey, when did you put those ducks out in front?
Oh, they've been there, honey, for 2 years.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Oh, I didn't know you had 2 of them.
Yes, that's Ma and Pa.
Mm.
Ma and Pa pickers.
They're pretty nifty, pretty sexy.
Hot.
Oh,
hot.
Yes.
Maybe we'll get a treat when I pick you up.
We're home. Frankie is pooped out. Watching the chowder. So yeah. And just putting the last like 5 days videos up. Yep. Lame-o does movie maker. Where are you leaving me? Is it because I'm talking too much? Hey, you know your bed's not there, so you can't lay on it. She's a loser. Loser. Yeah.